I need to do a coolant temperature sensor on this C5 Corvette, and I looked up on YouTube real quick and saw that somebody, though the top video showed you needing to remove the alternator to get to the sensor. So I wanted to show you guys how to do that without removing the alternator. The first thing you're going to need are some pizza rolls. So once you have those, next up is going to be a 3/8 inch drive ratchet with a small 1-inch extension. Let me show you this extension. Some guys don't have one of these. These things can be super useful. Just a real small extension there, and then a 19mm deep socket. So the sensor can be seen to the left of the spark plug there. See that? And it's just a little 2-wire sensor where I've taken the clip off. There it is right there. It's pretty easy to get out. We'll just stick it up here out of the way. There's no reason to remove the alternator. So what we'll do, I'll just show you right here. You can literally just stick it on there, and there's plenty of room. See that? So we'll go ahead and break it loose there, and that is it. We'll just take that sucker out and put the new one in. If you're replacing it, here's the part number if you have Duralast or AutoZone. There you go, right there. This part comes with liquid Teflon and a copper washer. That's it. So just pull it out and stick the new one in.